We have the glitter and we have the eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use the Ruby Kisses Aquarius. And I'm going to use Ruby Kisses Wicca Beach, if that makes sense. So, and I'm going to use my other eyeshadow palette, the Queen Cleopatra Inspired Makeup eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I use my Wicca Beach. So I kind of mix this darker color and this color together, and I just like kind of, I don't know how I can explain it, kind of just map out how I want it. And I'm going to add a little bit of black to my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this black here. I'm just going to add a little bit of that, and then I'm going to blend in with that blue, and then I'm going to blend it out. It was like a darkish bluish purple color look that the model was wearing in the video. So we're going to do it like that. And now I'm going to take a real like small brush. Come on everybody, tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Tap, 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 tap. I'm going to take this color here and I'm going to apply it in the middle. I did it like that. Now the fun part is we're going to do some glam look. So I'm going to use my finger. So the model had like these real bold shimmer colors. So I just used this silver and this color here. And I'm just going to apply it. Come on y'all, tap, tap, tap that screen for me. Show your girl some love. So I'm just going to use this blue as well, and I'm putting that on top. And I'm going to use this as well. And next thing I'm going to use is some concealer. I'm using Cool Cafe 05. You guys know. My favorite concealers and tan. Hi, Wendy. And I'm going to spray my e.l.f. Coconut Mist. I'm going to try to use the rest of this up that I had purchased the first time. Tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. Tap, 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 tap. And I'm going to blend out this concealer / foundation. I'm going to blend it out. I'll be trying to eye it out, because you're doing a really good job. Thank you. I just try to eye out, well, map out the models that I see on Instagram. So I had these little studs that came with my little makeup palette, so I'm just going to use these. She had a little like underneath her eye. It's okay. Um, I know. I'm sorry about that. And while you're sad, I'm a little sad too, cause I'm trying to do everything I can on this channel and all my other contents to, being very engaging. Okay. Come on, y'all. Tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. Tap, tap, tap. It don't cost anything. No culture makeup. No. Tap on that screen. Tap on that screen. Excuse me, y'all. I'm just had a long day. I'm very tired, but I came on. Thank you, Hagen. Thank you, thank you. Y'all are so sweet. Thank you. Come on, Diamond. Okay, y'all. What do you guys think? I think I did okay. I think I did a pretty good job. And I think she had a little bit of like a purple underneath her eye. Thank you. Look, I was gonna do Billie Eilish makeup trend, her song Blue. Y'all, I'm not finna mess up my lashes, and I'm definitely not finna mess up this chair I just bought and get it soaking wet. So, yes, I like to do makeup. I like to have fun, be creative, be original. I know I shouldn't be sad about it, but me. I'm sorry about that. Well, everything's gonna work out, Tranisha. All right, everybody, tap on that screen. God dang it, y'all! My diamond fell off. Damn. All right, everybody. What do you guys think? Did I nail it, or what you think? Well, hold on. Let me end this live and I'll talk to you. Tap on that screen, you guys. This is the finished look of my makeup tutorial. I think I did a really good job. Let me see. Yeah, I think I did a good job. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Also follow me on my platforms on social media. TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also follow me on my personal Instagram, sexyriri_93. You guys will find me on all three platforms. You guys can email me or direct message me on each of my social media platforms if you have a suggestion or if you want to collaborate. I'm waiting for those collaborations, everybody. So, hey, it doesn't matter who knows how to do makeup or not. It's just all about having fun. But I thank everyone for coming on to my live. I do appreciate it. I did the makeup look like I as promised. I'm going to continue on being on my YouTube live. We're going to do more other makeup, which is the lip combos that everyone has chosen. So if you want to come over there to my YouTube channel, come on over, and we're going to have fun. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next live, which is tomorrow morning. Bye.